Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have searched a lot for the perfect sling bag for so long and I wanted something that looked premium without compromising on quality. So after exploring so many options, I finally found one that truly matched my style. Now let's unbox the Miraggio Sabrina Crossbody Bag. Right from the moment you open the box, it gives a premium and luxurious feel. The packaging is neat, elegant and beautifully presented. The packaging already looks so premium, which makes me even more excited. I honestly have high expectations because this bag looked absolutely gorgeous online. So now let's remove the protective cover and take our first look at the Miraggio Sabrina Crossbody Bag. Oh my god, the quality feels amazing and the finish is clean and beautifully crafted. Now let's see what's inside the bag, and the first thing I notice is that it comes with two different straps. I love that you can switch between the two straps depending on your outfits or the occasions. The first is a sleek chain strap while the second is a classic leather strap. It comes with a spacious main compartment so you can easily carry your phone, wallet, keys, makeup essentials and other daily necessities. What I love the most is how versatile this bag is. It pairs beautifully with casual outfits, office wear, brunch looks and evening parties. If you like this product, just leave a comment and I'll send you the product link. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.